Wi-Fi. What
7:30 starts, huh?
starts at 7:30?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Ba't kaya ang tagal niya mag-check-in sa akin?
Okay.
Okay.
7979 and then press the number 2. Level 2.
Level 2.
So level 2, then when you reach your room,
My room.
the PIN number, follow the key icon.
8166N. Okay, thank
Thank you.
Here. Going up, press 2. So, welcome back to my channel. You are just Sonified, another hotel staycation experience that we are going to vlog. And this is my first time to be here in Singapore for a couple of days. And I chose this hotel near Bugis Station. And let's find out if I want you to come along with me with my journey, not really journey, my staycation here in this hotel. Kaya mga ka-fab, keep on watching. Mga ka-fab, confirmed. So, this is Smart TV. Obviously, you're in Singapore. Kaya hindi problema ang kabilisan ng internet. Pero mga ka-fab, may nakalimutan tayo. Yung bagahe natin downstairs na iniwan natin. Since hindi pa nga tayo maka-check-in that time. So, baba muna tayo ulit and kunin natin ang bagahe natin.
Much later. The next day.
Good morning, Singapore! Hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo mga ka-fam. Ito po yung view natin. At least my view, di ba? Also, I'd like to stress out, ito ay ang isa sa mga challenges. Yung saksakan, nag-iisa lang siya, one and only. And one of my mistake also is hindi ako nagdala ng socket adapter kasi iba dito sa Singapore, so I need to buy pa kahapon sa Bugis Street. So that's lesson number 1. Please don't forget to bring your own socket adapter. Good morning again. Ito ang mukha ng bagong gising. Tara na mga ka-fab. Kasi I was advised yesterday na 9 AM daw sila mag-start serving the breakfast. Kaya, baba tayo.
Sir, please go to the shop. Next door.
Next door?
Tell the room number.
Okay,
Yes.
210.
Yes.
Here is Cafe 21. Welcome to Cafe 21. How can I go inside? I'm sorry? So we need to order here first for our breakfast. These are the choices. Can I have the morning delicacy? The hot choco.
Full you must buy here, which we serve you on hot coffee.
Okay, hot tea. Sorry, hot coffee. Hot coffee, fine now. Thank you. We have to wait here. I think they're all lining up as well, waiting for their breakfast. So, hindi ka muna pala papasukin. Pag ready na lang, saka kasi kung nila bubuksan ng pintuan. For now, sarado mo na. 9 AM na ha, pero wala pa masyadong tao, no? Nakuha yun na yung Nakuha niya na yung sa kanya, oh. Mukhang masarap naman siya. Can I eat inside? I want to eat inside. It is so hot here outside. How will I open the door? Open? Open na lang. Ayan, kailangan bubuksan talaga ni ate. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok na ikaw lang, te. Hindi intruder ka. Ayan, so ayan na. May kape na tayo. Ay, hintayin na lang natin yung pagkain natin. Bawal kang pumasok pag hindi ka nila papasukin. Sila talaga magbubukas ng pintuan. Ayan, hinintay na lang natin yung pagkain. Grabe to, ethics and sustainability rin sila. Kakaiba ka talaga. May nakita yung mga Pinoy, taga-Jensan sila. Hello, mga taga-Jensan. Mga taga-Jensan. I'm here po. Dine in. Dine in here. Over here. Dumating na rin po. Sarap naman siya. Kain po tayo. Let's eat. Let's eat. Alright. Tapos na. Let's go back upstairs to get ready. It's gonna be a busy day. Pahabol lang mga kapab. Don't forget to please clear your table after eating. Claygo. Asan na to? Ate? Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am? Ma'am, I put it here, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, automatic daw, pinapalitan daw nila in the afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. Let's start our day. Kayod, kayod, kayod. Singapore. Ayan na. So, 3 to 5 minute walk. Andiyan na agad yung MRT station nila, which is the Bugis Street. Yan lang muna for now, mga ka-fab. See you later. So, yun pala, you need to stand on the left. Okay? My room has no electricity. Don't know what happened. So I'm outside for activities for work, and when I got back here in my room checking, got no electricity already. I don't know what happened. And you're tired. It's been a long day. So this room has no light too. I don't know what happened. And my room has no light too. Got no electricity. Nawala na naman yung electricity. Oh my gosh. No electricity.
Can I open?
Yes, there.
Can you on the light for me?
Okay, where is it?
Yeah, where?
Oh, there again. Why? Okay.
Oh.
The following day. next day.
Good morning. Nagising tayo ng maaga. Hindi dahil po going to check out na tayo, hindi ganon. Naisip natin na bago man lang tayo bumag ng Pilipinas, we need to visit the Merlion. So, it's past 5 a.m. Bubukas yung MRT around 5:30 a.m. Dapat naubutan natin yun. Very, very early. Wala pa mga tao. So, let's go there. Kasama ko kayo. Ayan. And see you there. Ayan, wala pa masyadong tao kasi sobrang aga. As what I've said, malapit po tayo sa Bugis Station, yung tinitirahan nating hotel ngayon, na nire-review natin. So sabi ng Google, ang first trip ng train nila is 5:30 a.m. So buti na nagasing tayo kanina ng mga 4:45. Di na tayo naligo. Nagilamos na lang tayo. And let's go there. So, Merlion, papunta na kami. Ayan, tamang-tama. Pabukas na yung MRT nila. Konting lakad lang atin. Took me 5 minutes. Ayan. So, 2 stations away lang tayo dun sa pupuntahan natin. From Bugis, pababa tayo sa, what do you call this? So, from Bugis Station, bababa po tayo sa, nagahang pa mga guys, sorry, magigising lang. Okay, so bababa tayo sa Raffles Street Station. So, yung mga natutulog din pala sa MRT. So, yung na-stuck sila or something. Sarado pa. So, since Sunday morning ngayon, oh my gosh. So, mag-o-open pa siya ng 6:05 a.m. Akala natin kasi 5:30. Anyway, tambay-tambay na lang tayo dito. Ayan po, nakarating na rin po tayo sa Raffles Station. And sabi sa guide, exit H daw. Tingnan natin kung tama nga yun. So, past 6 a.m. pa lang po. Wala pa masyadong tao. Gusto ko yung nakasulat na yan. Downward motion, upward ambition. Raffles Place MRT Station. Ito na, exit H na. Oh, saan dito si Merlion? Sige, hanap tayo dito. Makikita naman natin agad yan eh. Madilim pa, no? Okay. Past 6 a.m. na. Ganito pala dati yung Singapore River, oh. Hindi siya ganito kaganda. Grabe. So, tinanong natin siya kung saan banda. Tinulungan naman niya ako. Ang ganda ng tunog ng mga ibon, eh. Grabe. Ayan na. Bukas na ang buffet. Tara, kain na tayo. Parang London Bridge is falling down. Ganda. I just wanna say hello. I manifest. I'll be staying there for 5 days. On your hotel. That hotel. 5 days. Make it 10 days. Cross tayo. Sana malapit na. The Merlion Park has been erected, a symbol to welcome all visitors to Singapore. It was formally installed as a ceremony on 15 September 1972 by Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, the Prime Minister of Singapore Tourist Promotion Board. Yun pala yun. 5-minute walk naman daw kasi from the station ng Raffles Street Station. Where are you? Merl? Merl? Saan to? Saan si Merl? 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 First name niya siguro Merle, tapos last name niya Lion. Kaya I can call him, "Hello, Mr. Lion." Grabe, kit umaga na. May mga kalaban tayo, guys. Meron ng mga tao. Para excited na me. Where are you? Merlion? Ang ganda po. Urban regional planning at its finest. There he is. My God. This is a feeling of in awe. In awe. In awe. Guys, so ayan na. Kunan natin to ng video shot clips na to. Ang ganda. Ito yung magiging effect ng effort mo pag gumising ka ng umagang umaga at bubungad sa'yo si Merlion na wala pa masyadong tao. Solo mo siya. Wala kang kahati. Ayan, ang ganda. Yan, beautiful. Dapat part to ng 8 Wonders of the World. Hi Merlion. Give me good luck, good health, prosperity in business, and good health, family, career, lahat na po. Hello Merle. Good morning Merle. It's past 6 a.m. here in Singapore. Wala kang kaagaw. Solong-solo mo tong view na to. Ang ganda po. The best view in the world. And of course, ito talaga. Okay lang kahit hindi pa siya bumubuga ng tubig. That's fine. (7:01 a.m.) The water starts spitting out in the mouth of the Merlion. Na-capture po natin yan. Sige lang. Spit out those blessings. Good health, good luck. And the Lunar New Year, the year of the horse. Merlion, spit that out. Shower us blessings. You have to take a picture as if like you're drinking it, right? How would I do that? Mga ka-fab, let me do a quick room tour ulit kasi yung video na kinuha natin nung umpisa na we started staying here, medyo hindi ganun kaganda. Nagka-error. So ayan ha. So ito lang, plain big bed and andun yung saksakan. Yan. Make sure to bring adapter ha. Yung sa gilid wala na. So isa lang yung saksakan mo. And of course, yung basic amenities dito yan. Yan. Included yan ang mini ref. And yung ano pa ba? Yun na. That's it. So, maliit lang siya talaga na kwarto. Deluxe essentials daw to. Of course, yung TV na smart TV. And, ano lang, the good thing is, medyo malaki yung banyo. Andyan na rin yung bath. Yung inodoro, yung tapos towels. Included na rin yung mga body wash and shampoo. May hot shower. May bidet po. Very good. So, yun lang. Very quick. And may ilaw yan. Ayoko na i-on. Yan lang. Maliit lang siya. And okay naman yung aircon. Very good. Internet. Perfect also. So, there you go. Mga ka-fab, 11 a.m. daw yung check-out. Kaya, tara na. Kala ko talaga 12. Anyway, sige. Na natin to. Check-out na natin, ha? Let's go. Basta pa buhok natin. Hello. Check out. I leave my bag. Where? No space.
Later, you just put. Oh,
Okay,
later
alright.
I will.
Okay, I'll be back. Thank you. And there you go, mga kapab. Let's check out here at Hotel JJH. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to embrace life not just beautifully, but fabulously. See you in my next hotel staycation adventure. Thank you, Singapore. We still have time to roam around the city and mamaya babalikan na natin yung bagay na iniwan natin. And off our way to Changi Terminal 2. We're back sa hotel. Kukunin natin yung maleta natin para let's go straight to Changi Terminal 2 Airport. Natin yung bag natin. And book na tayo ng Grab. Thank you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. There's my Grab.